Hello and thank you for joining me today. It's Karen from tillycrafts.co.uk. This is video number 4 in my Wonder of the Season Memory and More cards and the envelopes that match, the cards and envelopes that match them. If you've seen my other 3 videos, I've taken the pack and we've put together these cards, and I said to you the last one I'd do, I'd embellish them up. So what I thought I'd use is some ribbon knots and some bows, and this is real red and it's a satin ribbon, satin double stitch ribbon, so it's very pretty. It's quite nice, that. Also the Whisper White metallic edged ribbon, I've used some of that too. And also the I can't get it out because I can't find the end of it. This one, it's out of Trimming the Town, and it's an 1/8 of an inch. It's very pretty. I'll pinch one of those for one of these. The gems I'm going to use are the Real Red Rhinestones, the Holiday Rhinestones, because we've got some cherry cobbler in there, and I think it's Shaded Spruce. Let me just double check. Hey, it's one of those days today, I think. Yes, we have cherry cobbler, Shady Spruce. This is pumpkin pie, Night and Navy, and Coastal Cabana. And also the wonderful gems. These are in real red and clear, but they've got glitter in them, so they're very nice. I've also got some of the faceted gold gems, which I'll see if they'll go on. I did find these. Now these are retired, but these are in real red and garden green. These were from last year, but I've just found parts, so I might use some of those as well. But you've got lots of options of what to use. Right, let's get started. So let's go with this one. So what I think I shall do with this one is I'm just going to I might put my little ribbon knot on there. Let's get some glue dots out and you can see what we're doing. I apologise if it's a little bit dark on the screen. I'm having a little problem with my lighting today, but hopefully you can still see it okay. So pop that on there, and I think I'll take a couple of these sparkly ones. And put them down there, or I might have to put another glue dot on there, or else that's going to stick up. I think we'll come down here with one. I might put a little of the white one on, and a little red one. I might just pop that in there. There we go. Let's just get one of these glue dots. Can't be doing with me ribbon sticking up. There we go. So that's number 1 done. Did you know we did 12 of these the other day? I couldn't believe we'd done 12. But it just shows you how much you can get out of your pack, and there is still a lot left. I've still got about 6 cards left. I made 12. No, I've got 8 cards left. So there's still plenty that you can do. Cherry cobbler. Let's look. Let's put a couple of these on. Oops. And they make lovely Christmas cards. So I should be sending some of these out to my friends. So that's number 2. This one, I was going to put some. Well, the only thing I was thinking of putting on here is, where's my little dots gone? Oh, do you know, I'm going to have to get some sort of system here so I don't keep losing stuff. The only thing I thought of doing with this one is just pop in some of these in there for the berries, because it's very glittery and blingy already. So I don't think it needs a lot. So, and this just gives a little added touch. I can't help myself with bling. I can't See, even though that would have been lovely, I think that just gives it a little bit more. And yeah, we'll leave it like that. Like that one. Do like that one. I'm just going to pull this blind down and see if that makes it any better. I'm not going to... Does that make it a bit better? Hopefully that's alright and you can see that okay. This one, I'm not going to put a bow on this one, but I'm going to put a couple of these dots down here. I think I'll go with a shaded spruce one in the middle. There we go, I think that's all we need on that one. Lovely. Now this one, I thought the reason I got this bow out, because I think it would look quite nice on the top. I don't want to go mad with bows, but I think that would look, just finish it off. And it looks like it's been tied up. And on this one, I think we'll go with these clear ones. Put a couple of these on. Put one over, put one in there, I think. There we go. Just finishes that one off nicely. This one, I thought we would put a nice big bow on there. Yes. It just goes to show what you can do, and if you add some memories and more, not memories and more, note cards and envelopes, you could use all the bits you've got left to bling it up a bit and to make some more cards. I am going to, I don't know when I'll get around to it because I have got a lot to film, but when I was doing these the other day, I thought, do you know what, I might have a go at making a little like a book with photographs in with the rest of these, but we'll see. If I manage it, I'll film it. But there's that one, that's very nice. Now this one, I was thinking of putting some of these gems on the tree, like the baubles. Scatter some about and decorate our tree up. See, sorry if I got quiet, it's the concentration of trying to pick these up. There we go, that looks lovely. And I was also thinking maybe put a bow on there, or that might be a bit too much. No, I think that's a bit too much. We'll leave it like that. I like that. Oh, wonder and joy. Put a nice ribbon on there, or a ribbon knot. No, I don't know. Let's think it. Yeah, we'll put one at the top. That'll look nice at the top. There we go. And let's put some of these. I like these. I might actually just put them around the edges. Just gives that a little bit extra. Oh, there we go. Now this one, I was thinking of using the white ones. Not going to decorate the tree, but I think we'll just put these scattered about on here. And if I've got a white ribbon knot or a tree, yeah, I'll have a little bow on there. I would have tried these up, but I didn't think you'd want to sit and watch me tie them all on camera. I might have to make a couple, but like that. And then this one, I quite like the white actually on these. Let's just pull my bow down a bit. That looks nice. And I think we'll go with these actually this time, these gold faceted gems. I've got one stuck to my finger already. We'll have him. Come here. There we go. Just finishes that off. And we have this one. Now that one, I was thinking of a ribbon knot under there. Whoops. I don't mind filming, I love creating, but it's the writing up of a blog post. It's like being at school and having to do your homework. There we go, quite like that. And I think this one can have some of the gold on because there's quite a bit of gold on these. I've got a little one, I've got, yeah, got a little one down there, and I'll have a medium one over this side. There we go, and that's all he needs. Very nice. And then my last one I made up was this Scrappy Challenge one, and I'm thinking for this that, shall I go with a cherry cobbler, or should we really bling it up? Yeah, let's have the medium ones of these, and we'll put them round the circle. There we go, like that. Don't think it needs a bow. Let's have a look if we put a bow on. No, I think it takes away from it. So I'm very happy with that. Let's just move all these. So these are the finished cards we came up with. And like I say, we've got 12 of them. Let's bring it down a little bit. So they're all different. I mean, there is enough stuff in there that you could make quite a few up the same if you wanted to. Or as you can see, I've got 12 totally different cards here. I don't know whether this one's my favourite actually. I quite like that. But yeah, so I think we've got our money's worth out of there. And let me just see, the Memories and More pack are actually £11.25, and the note cards and envelope are £10.75. But like I say, I've only made 12 up. There's still lots of the pack left. The envelopes are lovely, and you've got enough. And if you put it with like a stamp set with sentiments, you could use the papers and stamp sentiments. There's a lot you can do with it. I'll just give you a quick these ones, these are the ones left now. I'm just looking at, I'm looking for a tutorial where like you can put them together and you can make like an album and make like pockets in it and stuff like that, so that you could like do like your favourite pictures from Christmas or something like that with that. But I'll let you know how that goes, and if I do it and it turns out okay, I will bring you a video. So thank you all very much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed these set of 4 short videos. They will be going on my blog soon, so I get them written up and they post the video uploaded and that. But thank you very much. If you like them, please give me a thumbs up and let me know which one you like. Thank you very much. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.